Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be should you wait or move on? So you have a specific someone in your life, so you don't know whether you have to wait for this person, you are waiting for a long time, and you don't know whether you have to wait for this person or move on. So this is today's topic of the reading. So you can choose one pile for one person if you have more than one person. Then we have three piles here. Pile number one, this yellow heart. Pile 2, green heart. Pile 3, this red heart. So you can choose any one of the pile as per your intuition. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. Okay, please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Then if you like the readings, if you like the content of the channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell symbol so that you can get the notifications and updates from my channel regularly. Okay, so that's all. Without wasting much time, let us start the reading with pile number 1. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Should you wait for this person or move on? Should you wait or move on? Let us ask spirits and angels. Should you wait or move on from this person and this connection? Should you wait or move on? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Okay, so already we have 3 cards here. 10 of swords, 4 of swords, the star. Then we have here 9 of swords, then Knight of Cups. Okay, so let me pull some more cards so that we can know more details. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Should you wait for this person or move on? Please give us some guidance and clarity. We have the Papers, the Burning Tower, the Moon, 3 of Moons, or the Star. Okay, the Star came twice. So let us see what cards are trying to say. First of all, let me tell you the signs here. I can strongly see Aquarius here. So Aquarius is very, very strong in this reading. Or you have some fixed signs also, like Leo, then Scorpio. Then somehow I feel Sagittarius also. Okay, then Taurus. And also I can see Pisces. Okay, so these are all the signs I can see here. Yeah, that's all I can say. Actually, all the signs are there, but these signs are very prominent. I can see mostly this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is very strong. Very few of you will have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, then few of you will have the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sagittarius I feel very strong here. Maybe it is a sun sign, moon sign or rising sign. Pisces also is there. Okay. So what I can see is there is like a back and forth communication and fighting between you. Okay, because swords means it is kind of communication all the time. So it is bickering, fighting, quarreling. Okay, so even if you are talking also, the talk will be kind of fight only. Because you feel or the other person feels that there is third party involved here. So because of the third party, so this third party can be anything. Okay, their job, their friends, their finances or whatever it is that is keeping you and them separate, that is called as third party only. Okay, so because of the third party, or this person is very, very social, that means they will spend more time with their friends and they won't give you that much importance. Maybe they are busy in parties, then going to movies or spending time with their friends. Every weekend they won't be at home, or they won't pick your call whenever you are calling. So you feel that this person is not giving you importance at all. And I can see also this relationship already ended because 10 of swords is there, tower card is there. So I feel that this connection is already ended. Maybe you broke up with this person, or for some of you maybe you got divorced for from this person. If you are already married to this person, you got separated, or you broke up, or you got divorced, because 10 of swords means it is a very very painful ending. Also the tower card indicates that it made your life upside down, okay, without any warning or any sign. This relationship or connection collapsed abruptly, without any closure, without any clarification, nothing, just collapsed. That's it. So now, even though you both can talk to each other, but you don't want to talk to each other. Okay, so that is the thing happening here, because you, whatever happened in the past, after happening all these things, you don't feel like talking to the other person, or other person is not feeling like coming back to you. So that much big fight or something happened between you both, but inside you know that it happened because of the third party, or because of this some bad time. Okay, so you know that actually deep inside your heart you both have the feelings for each other, you both have a soft corner concern, and even for some of you, you love each other also. I cannot see much love here. Only I can see is you both are like very much addicted to each other. Somehow I feel like you both want to be together, but you don't like their lifestyle, they don't like your lifestyle, something like that. Okay, so there is lot of conflict in this spread. They are in this pile, a lot of swords, a lot of disagreements, lot of fights. There is no emotions at all. Moon card is very rare, very less. So that's what I feel. With the three of moons, this person gives more priority to their friends or relatives or somebody else other than you. Okay, so it can be third party also, it can be, but for some of you it can be other person also, that they give importance to them. So some of you, I feel that you are already married to this person, and also you have a child with this person. So you might be a single mother or a, a single father, because you have a child already with this person. So you are into a very very deep pain, suffering. You cannot sleep at night, you are worried about future, you are crying at night. Some people are in depression. So some of you are into very health issues also, it came, okay, earlier, but now slowly you are coming out of that, but still you have a hope that there is some chance that you both can reconcile. Okay, that is what you feel. And even universe also says that yeah, there is a chance, because the star card is there. But even then, if you both are ready to reconcile also, things will not be so smooth for you. It will take lot of time to adjust with each other, because nine of swords is there, 10 of swords is there. Both the swords card are very deep and intense cards, very painful cards, I can say. In the same spread both the cards came, so that means this relationship is not that easy. Okay, so you are also praying God, and they are also praying God that you both can be together. But it is not so easy. If you see this four of swords card, this person is like praying God, but they cannot move. Can you see? They can't move at all. They are stuck, because if they get up, the three swords will ruin them. I mean, stab them. So that is the reason they cannot move. They are simply praying God. Even though they have the sword underneath them, but they cannot handle it. Because there is a threat for them. So what you have to understand is, even though they want to move towards you, they are not able to move towards you, because there are some threats, there are some problems. So yeah, for some of you, I feel that the families also are involved in this fight. That is the reason. So that person is not coming towards you, or you are not approaching them. Okay, this is a very toughest pile. But what I can see here is, because knight of cups is there, definitely this person want to take a step ahead, even though it is very very slow. I can see cups energy is very slow. So this person want to take a step towards you. They want to communicate towards you. They want to offer their cup of love. Maybe now they have the realization that they cannot live without you, or you are the main person in their life. Whatever their friends, relatives, whoever is there, but they are not equivalent to you, because you are the very loving, caring and nurturing person in their life. You were taking complete responsibility of the person. So they are now they are regretting for whatever they have done for you. So now they want to come towards you. At least they will talk to you. If at all, it might not reach to marriage immediately, but definitely this person want to talk to you. They want to clarify the some things. But cups card is the knight of cups, means definitely they want to express their love also. For many of you, 70% of the people, they will contact you, they will communicate to you, and they will express their love also. So it might be directly, like they will come to you directly, not through any message or phone call. They want to come personally and they want to talk to you. Okay, so that is what I can see. What I can say is you should wait, not move on, because the star card is there. There is a hope, even though whatever happened between you, there is a hope there. And also this can be some long distance relationship, or you broke up with each other, and the emotional distance is so much that you are not ready to reconcile. That emotional gap is so much. Maybe you are separated for many years, I can see. But still, this person is keeping an eye on you. They are feeling like you are the star or a celebrity. So they are keeping an eye on you. They are gathering all the information about you, or you are gathering all the information about you. You know what the other person is doing, but still, you both are not talking to each other, or you both are not trying to reconcile with each other. Okay, so let us ask spirits and angels, what is the future of this connection? So what is the future of this connection, spirits and angels? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Okay, the magician. So what I can say is everything is in your hand, the way you manifest it. First of all, you should know what you want exactly. So what you want to happen in your life. So there is future ahead. There is a lot of life ahead. So you should decide what you want. Accordingly, you have to manifest. If you want to manifest this connection back, this person back, definitely they will come back. If you want to manifest someone else also, you can do it, because this is a magician card. So you are a great manifester, or you are highly intuitive person. So whatever you want, it will happen, but everything is inside you, within you. So you have to be very clear what you want exactly. Okay, the magician, if you want the same person, definitely you will get it. They will come and they will propose you. It might take some time. It might take many years to adjust with each other. Even though if you talk to each other, then even though if you get married to each other, but still you have some time to adjust with this person. Okay, let us see the messages from this person. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are the messages from this person? What they want to say to my pile number 1? Okay, they want to say so many things, but we will take only few cards. Okay, we are soulmates. Okay, so definitely they feel that you both are soulmates. I choose you and only you. Okay, so they want to be with you only, not with anybody else. We will have a beautiful, stable and balanced relationship one day. So they are hoping to have a balanced relationship with you. Seeing you happy, all that I want. I love you. Okay, so sweet. They love you. We are not done. There is unfinished business between you. So if you are thinking that there is no communication, no contact, this is done. So that is why I said you have to wait. Don't move on. You should wait, because they are also saying there is unfinished business between you and them. Give me a second chance, please, I beg you. So definitely whatever happened in the past, they are asking you to forgive them and give them a second chance. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. The Emperor, 2 of Swords, 2 of Stars, then prophetess. Bottom of the deck we have the Six of Pentacles. Hope you all can see the cards. Okay, so let us start the reading. First of all, I will let you know the signs here, what I can see. The signs I can see are Scorpio, then Aries is very prominent here, then rest all the signs are there, and fixed signs also are there: Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, okay, Scorpio. These are the fixed signs also. You can see here Aquarius also is there, but rest all are also there: Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very few of you will have the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so should you wait or move on? So first of all, let me tell you that this connection is already ended, because I can see the death card here. So that means it is already ended. Either you have ended the connection, or the other person have ended the connection, or something happened with the third party, because Three of Swords is there. That is the reason this connection is already ended. You both are not talking to each other. There is no communication. Okay, so I can see that either you or your person are in deep pain actually, because Nine of Swords is there. You are not able to sleep at night. You are continuously thinking about the other person. You went into depression. You are always thinking about the past, whatever happened between you. Then you are scolding yourself, why it happened, why you did like that, if you have done some mistake, or the other person, if they have done something wrong, they are scolding themselves. They are regretting now, like why they have done such a thing, that you both broke up with each other. Even for some of you, they are already not well, they are hospitalized. Hmm? So something like that, because Nine of Swords is a very very painful card. And I can see a third party also, as I told you already. The Three of Swords, that means there is a third party here. Maybe from the other person's side, or your side, there is a third party. That is the reason you both broke up with each other. And it is very painful. It is not so easy. You both still always thinking about the other person. You both actually, I can see, you both are thinking about each other. So for some of you, there is some death happened in your family or their family. Not now actually, not the current present moment, but at the time when you both departed. Okay, or some other connection ended when you both met each other. Then some death of a relationship or a connection happened. That time you both met each other. So maybe they came out of a relationship, or you came out of a relationship, something happened. So that time you were kind of very after someone, some death happens in the family, so you will be completely like blank. You don't know what to do. You don't know what you are doing. Some kind of saint energies, the spiritual vibes will come, no? So that time exactly you both met this person. Okay, so this is death already happened, but still there is a chance of rebirth. Why? Because there is a Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands. So definitely some they want a new beginning with you, new passionate beginning, because they want to know you better. They want to know you, what kind of a person you are. So what I feel is this connection is not so deep. It you came into communication, or you started conversation very fast, and it reached to level of love very fast. Exactly you don't know each other. Maybe you both got misunderstanding because of the third party, then abruptly you left the connection, or they left the connection. Okay, so now they want to know you better. They want to know how you are feeling, what kind of a person you are, what you want exactly from them or from a life partner. So they want to know you better. And at the same time, they have lot of feelings, emotions, love towards you, because the Ace of Cups is there. So they want to have a very beautiful romantic relationship with you. At the same time, they want to know you also. So already for some of you, this person already might have started a new relationship. Okay, so that is the reason you both ended this connection. But later they realized that this is not good for them, because they are not able to forget you. So they feel that inside my heart someone is there, and I am living with somebody else. So that realization came within them. So that is the reason the rebirth is happening now. So definitely the energies are changing. Maybe you are in a stagnant energy till now. Maybe you both are not talking to each other for many months or years. So now the change is happening. So definitely even you want a new beginning in this connection. Even they want to have a new beginning in this connection. So there should be a balance. That is what they are desiring. Like there should be a balance in this connection. There should not be like one person is giving more or one person is giving less. So this person might be very abundant person and they are doing lot of charity, lot of spiritual works. So this person is very after this breakup or something, they have become very spiritual. Maybe earlier they were atheist, so they didn't believe in god or something. But now slowly they are changing their lifestyle or changing themselves for you. Okay, maybe you both discussed about your feelings and all, or what you likes and dislikes. So definitely they are changing themselves according to you. They are becoming more spiritual now. So there is a potential of marriage also here, because 10 of pentacles I can see. So there are possibilities, two possibilities are there. 10 of pentacles means they are already married, or one of you are definitely married, and you have a family, you have kids, and you are not able to come out of that. Okay, and for others of you there is lot of possibilities that you both will be together, or you both are married already and you are looking for the reconciliation. Maybe you are checking this reading for the reconciliation. So you are asking about your husband or a wife, thinking that should I wait or move on. Okay, that is also a possibility. So there is an emperor card. Maybe this person is little stubborn. They want my way or the highway kind of a person. They want everything to happen according to their wish, which is not your cup of tea. Maybe you are not agreeing for whatever they say. Okay, so that is also kind of a power struggle or ego issues. So ego clashes are there between you both. So that is also can be a reason. I can see there is some age gap between you and this person. Maybe 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, some age gap is there. This person is elder to you and they are in a very high cadre or a position. Socially they are very much famous, or everybody respects them a lot. Maybe they are in a military or judge kind of a person, a judge, or very police respectful position they are in, or manager, CEOs, somebody like that. So definitely this person is thinking about their social status also. They are confused between you and the other person, because two of stars is there, two of swords. And definitely I can see there is a blockage in this connection. Maybe you blocked them or they blocked you because of the third party. So there is no communication. So you or the other person might have a blocked in WhatsApp or Facebook or social media, whatever it is, you blocked each other. So that is the reason there is no communication between you. So you are confused, they are confused whether to you are asking whether should I wait or move on. Okay, but one of you, I can see a single mom or a single dad. You have everything in your life, but only the life partner is not there. You are a single person, or they are a single person. You have a child also, and you are waiting for the person to come back to you, because you feel that there is a hope in this connection. And even the universe is also saying there is a possibility of new beginning or rebirth in this connection. So you have to wait. So let me see what is the future of this connection. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Okay, the Tower. So future is not so bright because the Tower card is there. Tower card is always sorry. So Tower card is always represents that there is a change, and there is some fall, big huge fall. So future will be, because this Tower card also cannot be wrong every time or cannot be negative every time. So what I can feel is whatever happens in your life, it will happen unexpectedly. Okay, so this person might call you or message you unexpectedly. Then from there it will start, new beginning will start. So for some of you this is already ended, and you feel that there is waste of time if you wait also for this person, then everything is collapsed already. So for some of you it is not a very good positive card, but for some of you definitely this person will contact you, communicate with you very like unexpectedly. When you are least bothered about them, you are not thinking about them, you left everything on the god, then you are trying to move on. So that time this person will enter in your life, and definitely from there onwards it will move ahead. So why positive for those who whose person is already they are not married. If they, even though if they are married also, they are not with their person, like they are already divorced or something, then for them it is a very positive sign that this person will come back to you unexpectedly and you can start the conversation again. For some of you who is already, this 10 of pentacle cards is there, they are already involved in the family, they have children, they have wife, everything. So then there is no chance of them to coming back, because it is already ended, this is already fallen down, collapsed, this connection. So please, however, it resonates with you according to your situation. Okay, so let us pull some of the cards from them, and these messages also will confirm whether you have to wait or move on. Please take the messages as per your person, because I don't know how your person is, how your relationship is. This is general reading, so definitely you can see the messages, then you can decide whether you have to wait or move on. I lied to you and I don't deserve someone like you. Okay, so definitely this person didn't tell you about the third party. You are my wish come true, please accept me. So they want to come back, they are asking you to accept them. I am confused about the situation, I need more time. Okay, so they are confused definitely with two of swords. I can see growing old together with you, I want to get together soon. So they have the intention to come back to you. The timing just was not right for us, I want to feel the same way again. So the whatever the feelings you both shared with each other, so that they are not able to forget. We are soulmates. Okay, so definitely they feel that you both are soulmates. So that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Let us see what your person want to say. Should you wait or move on? We will see their messages also, and we'll ask spirits and angels, should you wait or move on? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Ten of Swords, Four of Swords, the Star. Maybe you can see the pile 1 also, it is same. Then Two of Swords, the Hermit. Bottom of the deck we have the Hermit. Let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. Ten of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Postulant, Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck we have Two of Wands. Okay, yeah. First let me tell you the signs what I can see here. The signs I can see here are Aquarius and Virgo are very prominent here. Apart from that we can see Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo. Okay, so then I can see rest all the signs. Taurus also is there, Virgo is there. I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Cups, no cups at all, no water signs at all except Scorpio. Apart from that I cannot see any water signs. So what I can see in this pile, you both have no feelings actually as such. You have dealing with the money, and you have dealing with the conversation, communication, little bit of a fight also, disagreement, arguing, quarreling, bickering. Okay, so there is not a lovey-dovey talks are happening between you. You both are not talking to each other, and even if you're talking, also you're talking about money and the other fights. So this connection is already ended as what I can see here. So for some of you, you are already married to this person, and this connection is ended, and you got maybe separated or divorced with this person, and the separation was very very painful. Okay, so this person is elder to you, and you have the maturity levels also, the difference is there. So what you feel and the other person feels is entirely different, so your lifestyles does not match, and your understanding levels are not matching. That is the reason for this conflict, for this disagreement or separation. Okay, so this person, definitely you or the other person are praying god that um, again you both should be united, or again they want to say something to you, they want to communicate something to you. At least that chance they should get, that is what they are praying god. Even though if they want to make a move also, they cannot make a move, because you can see the three swords are there above them on their head. So if at all they want to move also, they cannot move because the swords will stab them. So there is a threat in this connection. Maybe your family is also involved in this. If at all you both are married to each other, then families also are involved with each other, and that is the reason you both are not able to communicate with each other again. There is blockage also, I can see. There is a maybe you blocked them or they blocked you in social media, or WhatsApp, Facebook, or whatever it is. So there is a blockage, there is a confusion between two people, two things or two people, because this person is kind of a blindfolded. They don't know what you are thinking, what you are feeling about themselves after whatever happened between you. So they are confused completely. They are confused which way to go, should they approach you or not. So they don't know what exactly it should happen, but they have a very good feelings for you. They feel that you are very beautiful, and you are kind of a very famous person in the society or in your friend circle. You are kind of a celebrity, you are kind of a star. So maybe this is a long distance relationship, and there is a hope in this connection. Definitely there is a hope for there is a scope of reconciliation also in this connection because of the star card. So there's hermit card says that it is a stagnant energy. So maybe the other person, and they are retreating, meditating, they want to know what exactly they want in their life. They are doing soul searching, they are not at all socializing with everybody. So they are meditating, even though they have a few friends. Maybe you, if you have mutual friends, then they are trying to gather information about you. So there is a lantern in their hand, the hermit card. So that shows that they are searching information for you, what you are doing, how you are feeling, where you are going, everything. So definitely there is stalking going on here. They are stalking you. If you have somewhere you did not block them, okay. So if you have blocked them in WhatsApp, then you didn't block them in Facebook, something like that. Definitely they are stalking you, and they are gathering information about you. They're asking everybody, like what exactly you are doing, what are you up to, is there anybody in your life, already you moved on or what. So they are definitely checking with you, checking about you, and they are asking everybody. They are in a waiting mode actually, because two of wands is there. So definitely they are waiting for you. They are waiting for you to take a step. They are waiting for your communication, message or a call. So definitely they are waiting for you. They definitely. Mm, so it can be long distance also, as I told already. So maybe there is a distance, emotional distance or emotional gap between you, or definitely a physical distance between you. Some distance is there between you, so you both are like in a stagnant position, and you both are waiting for each other. But definitely there is a scope of abundance here, because ten of pentacles is there. Definitely there is a scope of family, if at all you are not married to this person. So for them there is a chance of marriage also. Definitely they want to have a new beginning. They want to offer you something, some gift or something. They want to come towards you, because ace of pentacles is there. So definitely they want to come towards you. They want to offer something stable offer. It is not kind of a like false promise or fake thing. They want to offer you something stable, but it will take a long time because it is very slow moving energy. Even hermit also is kind of stagnant energy. It will take long time for them to come back, but there is hope. Now it is entirely up to you if you can wait for this person such a long time or not. That is entirely up to you. There is lot of ego clashes I can see. Five of swords means this person feels that a false victory. So what they are losing, if they want to win the argument between both of you, for what they are losing, they are not able to understand at this moment right now. So they are into their ego, their own anger, their own temperament. So that is what, once they come out of this ego or anger, definitely they want to offer you something, some gift or some offer. So they will come back to you. So there is a hope in this connection. Then you have to wait if you want to, because it is entirely up to you. So you have to decide whether you can wait or not. It will take definitely a long time. So let us ask, what is the future of this connection? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? The hermit again. So future of the connection is same, like it is a stagnant energy. Even if you both want to be together also, it is a spiritual connection. What I can say, this person is intellectual. You both need some spiritual reconciliation, but definitely it will take a long time. Future of the connection will be like this only, stagnant energy. Then you will be, even though even you are reconciling also, then if at all, what I can say here is, if you leave everything, forget about this person, don't cling on to this person, don't force this person to commit, then it might work out. Okay, if you are if you leave everything, if you forget about this person, if you move on in your life, then this person will come back to you, because that time they will get the awakening, because you are not able to go back to them. They will wait and wait and wait, and then finally they will come back. So you have to leave everything to God. And for many of you, what I feel is, you should move on only, because this person will not take a decision very soon. So it is entirely up to you. Even universe says hermit card is there twice, so you should definitely move on. Let us see their messages for you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their messages for my pile 3 people? Seeing you happy, all that I want, I love you. Okay, they want to say that to you. We are not done. There is unfinished business between us. Okay, so definitely they are not decided yet. They are confused. They feel that there is something else in between you. I choose you only and only you. Okay, so they want to be, first of all, let me tell you, this person whom you are asking about, they are non-committal person. They have a fear of commitment, definitely. That's what I can see. So they don't have anybody in their life. There is a potential of marriage also for you both, but they don't want to commit to one person. They have some fear of commitment. They don't know whether they can survive in this connection or not, because they are very fighting kind of a nature, short tempered, fighting, argumentative. Always they want the victory. So they feel themselves that they are not good for you. You are my true love and a soulmate. This distance is killing me. Okay, definitely, as I told with the star card, there is a distance here. Even 2 of wands card also, we are soulmates. Okay, all the 3 piles that we got the same card, we are soulmates. They feel that you are the soulmate, but they are not able to take any action. For this pile especially, this person is non-committal. They have fear of commitment. That is the reason this connection is going nowhere. So it is entirely up to you if you want to wait for this person or not. That is entirely up to you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.